Welcome to this demonstration of our webshop. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to search for a product, select it, and place an order. Let's start by searching for a specific knife. In the search bar, I enter the dimensions of the knife I need. The search function now shows the results that match my query. You'll see that the correct product appears at the top of the list, thanks to our accurate search functionality. I click on the product to view more details. On the product page, you can see the description, price, and availability of the knife. Here, I can easily enter the quantity I want to order. I enter the quantity and click on Add to Cart. Now, we proceed to the checkout page. Here, I check if all the details are correct and select my payment method. I fill in the required information and click Checkout. After the order is placed, it is reviewed and you will receive an order confirmation via email. Our webshop also makes it easy to add products to your favorites list. This allows you to quickly access products you order regularly. I add this knife to my favorites list by clicking the heart icon. This saves time for future orders. That was a quick tour of our webshop. As you can see, the process is simple and intuitive, from searching to ordering and managing your favorite products. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy a smooth shopping experience with us.